Hello and welcome back to our channel, The Visual Appeal. In today's video, we will talk about having a 5-step approach to learn any new digital skill or application more effectively. With changing times and technological advancements, we are compelled to learn different digital skills, applications, tools, and techniques to remain relevant in our field of work. If you are looking for a starting point and you're wondering how to go about learning new skills, you're in the right place. Watch this video till the end, where I give you 5 structured steps to learn new skills or applications quickly and more effectively. Let's get started. Step 1 is set your goal. Always ask yourself, why do you want to learn this new skill or application? What is your end objective? The answer to this question can change your approach completely. Let's say you want to learn an application like Microsoft Power BI. What is your end objective? Do you want to create dashboards for analyzing key metrics? Do you want to generate reports, or you want to learn data manipulation using Power Query Editor? Each of these goals have a very different learning approach. So let's say you've set your goal. Let's move on to step 2. Step 2. Deconstruct your goal into bite-sized milestones. It doesn't stop there. You might also want to prioritize these milestones. What to learn first, what to learn next, what can be parked on for later. And you might also want to plot timelines against each of these milestones. According to me, the most difficult part is having a disciplined routine and sticking to the deadline. So what are these milestones? What am I talking about? Let's go back to our Power BI example. Let's say I have set my goal. Now my goal is to create dashboards for analyzing key metrics. So what are my milestones? My milestone number 1 is for me to be acquainted with the user interface of Microsoft Power BI. Just knowing what are the different functionalities, which button is where, how to navigate through Microsoft Power BI, the basics, right? My milestone 2 would be to learn how to load data into Power BI and manipulate it. And milestone number 3 can be writing DAX measures and creating relationships. Next, I can learn how to visualize and what sort of visualization should be used for which kind of data and all that good stuff. So I'm deconstructing my goal of finally creating dashboards and visualizations into multiple steps, or what I call the milestones. And I will also plot timelines and give myself ample time to learn and get through each of these milestones. So we have set our goal, we have deconstructed our goal into bite-sized milestones. What next? Step 3. Start your learning process. We know what we want to learn, why we are learning it, and the obvious next step is to get your hands dirty and start learning the skill or application that you want. Internet has blessed us with abundant free resources. YouTube, for that matter, has a tutorial on literally any new skill or application that you might want to learn. So exploit these free resources. You can check out Google Digital Website, Salesforce Trailhead, Udemy, Coursera, and numerous other free resources that are available all across the internet, depending on the skill or application that you want to learn. Coming back to our Power BI example, the Visual Appeal channel has an entire playlist called the Power of Power BI, which helps you understand the application from scratch. It's meant for beginners, so if you haven't checked it out yet, it's time for you to check it out in case you want to learn Microsoft Power BI. Let's move on to step 4. Step 4. Practice, practice till you drop. Now that you've gathered enough theoretical knowledge from all the free resources in the internet, it's time for you to put it into practice. Either you take up a tiny pet project or you start implementing this new skill or application in your everyday work. The more you practice, the more you familiarize yourself with the skill or application. More importantly, you will start to troubleshoot the tiny issues that you encounter all along the way. Going back to our Power BI example, you can probably download data sets from websites like kaggle.com and start building your own dashboards. The data sets used in Power BI dashboards are given in the description as a link. You can use that as well. So all I'm saying is practice. Step 5. Build your resume. Now that you have enough theoretical and practical knowledge, it's time for you to invest in this new skill or application and take your goal to greater heights. There are several widely recognized courses and certifications for different skills or applications. Do your research, reach out to people in the same field and invest in these courses or certifications to build your profile. So those were my 5 steps to learn a new digital skill or an application. If you have more to add, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Happy learning and see you in the next video.